YouTube channel, that is Maths with Shivangi Nagar. In this video, we will discuss the exercise 4.4 question number 2, which is the last question of this chapter, because according to this 2021 curriculum, the remaining questions are not coming in your syllabus, are not included in the syllabus. So let's begin with the question. What the question says: find the values of the k variable for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have the two equal roots. हमें यहाँ पे mention है कि ये जो हमें given quadratic equations हैं, ठीक है, तो उसमें जो roots हैं they are equal. Now equal roots का condition क्या होता है? So we have studied, we have two equal roots in a quadratic equation if and only if discriminant is what? 0, which means what? B square minus 4ac is equals to 0. So if we compare this equation with the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, what we will get here? We will get here on comparison that a is what? 2, b is k, and c is what? 3. So on putting all these values in this expression, okay, what we will get here? We will get a equation in the k variable, and that is very easy for us to what? Solve it and get the value of the k. So let's just plug all the values. What we will get here? K square minus 4 into 2 into 3 is equals to 0, right? So k square is what? K square is 4, 2 times 8, 3 times 24. And I have transposed this on the right hand side. Now since this is the value of the k square and we want the value of k, so what we have to do? We have to take the square root. So on taking square root, on both the sides, what we will be getting here? K square under root is equals to plus minus under root 24. So this is what? Now this 24 is what? This 24 can be written as what? Plus minus under root to 4 into 6, right? And this 4 is a perfect square, so this we can take it out from this radical sign as a 2 number, and what we have here? Root over 6. So what are the two values of k we have? Plus 2 root 6 and minus 2 root over 6. So these two are the values. So in the first one, so k value is plus minus 2 root over 6. Coming on the next part, this is the next equation, second equation. So right now it is not looking like a quadratic equation. Why? Because here in the first term we have the product. They are written in the product form. So what we will do? We will open this bracket and expand this expression. So kx multiplied by x makes what? Kx square. Kx into minus 2x makes what? Minus 2kx plus 6 is equals to 0. And when you apply this, when you compare this with x square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So on comparison, what you got to know that x square coefficient here is a and x coefficient here is k. So a is what? K here. Similarly, x coefficient here is b and x coefficient here is minus 2k. So in comparison, we got to know b is what? Minus 2k, and similarly c is equals to 6. Now since we are given that two equal roots are there for these given equations, so that means definitely discriminant is what? 0, which means b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Now putting all the value of a, b and c here, what we get? We get the equation in the one single k variable. So minus 2k whole square minus 4 into k into 6 is equals to 0. Minus 2k whole square is what? 4k square, and this is what? 24k. Clear? 4, 6 times 24. Now what you can take a common outside? So here also 4, and this 24 is what? 4 into 6. So from both these terms we can take out common outside what? 4k. So what we are left over with? We are left over with k minus 6. Now if you see here at this stage, this means what? It is a product of two quantity. What are the two quantity? 4k multiplied by k minus 6 is equals to 0. So by applying the zero product rule, okay, what we can conclude that either this quantity is 0 or k minus 6 is equals to 0. So one by one we will take both the quantities, okay. So if we take 4k equals to 0. So k is what? 0 upon 4 means 0. So one of the value of k is what? 0. Similarly, if we take this quantity as 0, so k minus 6 is equals to 0. So k, for what value of k? At k is equals to 6. So in the second one, the value of k are 2. They are what? 0 and 6. Okay. So on putting on these value of k, this entire equation gives to what? 2 equal roots. So this is how the questions are being asked on the nature of the roots. Okay, either they will give you the equation and they will ask you about what are the nature of the roots, or some constant part is giving you in the question like this way. Okay, k form, and they will ask you that what is the value of k, for which value of k the given equation gives the two equal roots or distinct roots and so on. Clear? So this is what all about in this video. Now the chapter is completed, wind up of this class 10th NCERT textbook, chapter number 4. In the next video, I will start with a new topic, with a new chapter. So stay tuned with the channel. If you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any of the updates. Till then, bye-bye, take care. See you in my next video with the next chapter.